In 1901, Greek sponge divers find a Roman shipwreck off a tiny island, hiding something no one can explain. Among the dripping bronze statues and clay jars pulled up from the ancient wreck, one small corroded lump almost gets thrown out as worthless scrap. Then, right there in the researchers' hands, it slowly cracks open on its own, and a small bronze gear wheel quietly falls out onto the table. A gear wheel, carefully cut with dozens of tiny, interlocking teeth, sitting quietly inside a 2,000-year-old sunken shipwreck. By every account historians had of the ancient world, nothing this precise was ever supposed to exist for at least another 1,000 years. For decades, most historians simply dismiss it as impossible, maybe a later fake, or just debris that fell in completely by accident. For years afterward, the fragments simply sit inside a quiet museum drawer in Athens, largely ignored by everyone. In the 1970s, a determined physicist named Derek de Solla Price finally gets official permission to X-ray the strange fragment. The very first scan they manage to get is crude and blurry, but it clearly shows dozens more gears hidden deep inside the thick corrosion. Price then makes a bold and controversial claim. This strange device is actually a calendar computer, built long ago by the ancient Greeks. Most of the wider academic field simply doesn't believe him at all. The technology needed to actually prove his claim doesn't even exist yet. 3 decades later, a new research team finally gets access, with a specialized machine built for this one fragment. An enormous 8-ton industrial X-ray scanner sits ready inside the laboratory, finally powerful enough to see clean through the solid ancient bronze. In fact, it's the only device anywhere in the entire world sensitive and precise enough not to accidentally destroy the ancient, fragile fragments. The fragile mechanism goes into the scanner exactly as it was originally pulled from the sea, still completely untouched, never forced open. Inside the massive machine, powerful X-rays slowly slice through 2,000 years of thick corrosion, layer by careful layer. Slowly, on the glowing monitor screen, an entire intricate gear train begins to appear, something that absolutely no one has ever fully seen before. In total, 30 separate individual gears, some with teeth spaced less than a single millimeter apart from each other. Hidden underneath all that corrosion, text. Thousands of tiny characters of ancient Greek, never once read before. In effect, it's an entire complete instruction manual, carefully and precisely engraved directly onto the surface of the machine itself. Slowly, piece by careful piece, the team of researchers begins to reconstruct exactly what each gear actually does. One small dial on the front carefully tracks the changing phases of the moon, precisely correcting for its naturally uneven orbit around the Earth. Another separate dial correctly predicts both solar and lunar eclipses, sometimes years before they are actually going to happen. A third smaller dial follows a strict 4-year cycle, quietly counting down toward the very next Olympic Games. Turn just one small hand crank slowly and watch as the entire ancient cosmos begins to move together in perfect harmony and sync. Nothing else built anywhere with this same extraordinary level of intricate mechanical complexity would ever be attempted again for well over a full 1,000 years. Whoever originally designed and built it clearly worked within a scientific tradition directly connected to both Archimedes and the astronomer Hipparchus. But despite absolutely everything, the true original builder's actual full name was simply never recorded anywhere at all, and it never survived. Less than a full third of the entire ancient machine actually survived the shipwreck, and the rest may still be resting somewhere down there. 2 full 1,000 years later, the ancient world's very first computer is still being carefully rebuilt today, one single gear at a time.